Hi, Tim Roberts, Application Engineer with GoEngineer. This quick tip video, I'm going to discuss the solver window and how to customize that in flow simulation. Here we've got a project. I'll go to flow simulation solve. I'll choose run. For the sake of time, I've already ran these results, so I'll hit run once more just to bring this window up that we're going to discuss. And this window, the solver window, it's actually a pretty useful window. First thing I want to point out is just the fact that you can resize this. In some cases, you might want a tiny window up here in the upper left to allow you to work, multitask. In other cases, you might want a very large window. But make it the size that you want, right? Now the other thing is that this has some very good information in it. For example, this warning, a vortex crosses the pressure opening. Typically we want to do something about that. We don't want to just run with these results. So immediately when we start seeing warnings, we may want to stop the run, maybe go and resolve that and come back in and try not to have those errors or warnings. But the other thing I want to mention is under view, we can show the toolbar, the status bar, the window bar. Okay, those are these bars at the top and bottom. We can also insert different information, for example, a goal table. And then you can see that this starts to get a little busy, a little jumbled perhaps. We can take advantage of tiling horizontally or vertically. Okay, I'll tile these horizontally. So you got a nice little layout there. And then once we've maybe customized a certain layout, we can also save that layout. Go to view, layout, save. Let's call this layout horizontal. Save that so we can get back to it. I have another layout that I've created previously. Let's load that. Okay, that will be layout 1. So we can load that and get a different layout, vertically tiled windows. But there's a lot of information here that is really useful. The most important thing I think is I like to watch the goal plot. This line graph here is if it was running, it's a real-time progression towards your goals. And typically you'll get peaks and valleys, and then as your goals start to converge, they'll start to flatline, and that indicates that you're getting close to convergence. When they converge, they'll typically go all the way to flat line. Okay, the other thing here is just that if we're running a calculation, we can stop or suspend the calculation through this window as well. That's one great thing about Flow is you can actually stop the calculation and restart it. So you don't have to start from scratch again. But make this window what you want. Use it to your advantage. It's a really nice feedback tool while you're running projects in Flow simulation. My name's Tim Roberts. Thanks for watching this quick tip video.